Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
It's a ghost.
Why am I so white? Why? So today, what are we doing?
We about to play.
Speaking to the damn mic.
I told you about talking to me like that.
Like what? Go ahead.
Like I'm your hoe.
Well, I'll give you 3 hoes, and I got something in my sack for you. Cause bitch, I'm Santa. What the stop spraying Febreze in my face! Wow, that shit smell good though. Welcome to which regular show character are you? Or reveal which regular show character you are.
We all can't be Mordecai. Sorry, y'all see it. Reckless.
I'm gonna go first. I almost said fourth. I'm gonna go fourth. Let Tommy and L Dog.
Okay, I have to answer this for you, right? Because this is about you. But I gotta answer it. How was your friends describing you?
I.
Honestly, you mad awkward, bro.
I knew you was gonna say that bullshit on some bullshit because
No, I'm being dead ass.
who awkward?
You awkward with the bitches, bro.
Only with the girls.
Us, bro.
All right, bro.
You gotta cook it, bro.
All right, what's
being
next?
Real though.
What's my favorite color?
No, I can't answer that. You gotta answer that one. That was different. I don't know that shit.
I feel like it's orange,
I was
bro.
gonna say that shit on me. Oh god. Bro.
Orange is the color because like it's
You're a
not.
Bearcat.
It's not even like
You're a fucking
pick an animal. Just pick one.
What the fuck is that at the bottom?
A
What
dolphin.
No, obviously I know what a dolphin is. What's that quota shit?
You, bro. I guess an otter. An otter seems fitting.
I don't know.
I like water.
You're more of a meerkat, bro. You're tall. You're linky. You're just like a
Man,
meerkat, bro.
fine.
You
Meerkat,
got the
bro.
Same head shape.
On Friday night, what am I doing? What am I doing Friday?
You're on the video game.
Shit,
bro.
now working.
Yeah,
Not
working.
Friday night though. Friday
Exactly,
night.
You're on the game, bro.
Friday night. We on the
You're
game.
on the game, bro.
Get on the game. What game? 3, 2, 1. Marvel Rivals.
Not sponsored. Whoa.
Yeah, give us some money. Look, they got a Marvel thing right here too, bro.
Where?
Wait, move our head. Oh, it just disappeared as soon as I said it. On some bullshit, bro.
That's crazy.
It was right here.
Pick a movie, man.
All right.
What the fuck is rom-com? Of course you click.
Romantic comedy.
Of course you.
I mean, that's a aight. But you know I got to
Who
go with.
wants to see
I'm
kissing and
funny, bro.
laughing? This
You
ain't
know
about
I like
you.
my comedy.
No.
It is about me. It's a quiz about me.
This is a
What
quiz about-
what regular show character am I? The fuck you mean it ain't about me?
No, get your panties in a knot.
Shut up. Comedy, cause this shit's funny.
Go ahead, bro.
I do like comedy.
Big
every
calm.
now and then.
Big calm.
Pick a TV show. Man, y'all know any of this? Pick a TV show. Who knows any of this?
I know the place Twin Peaks, the
I only know Friends.
Arrested Development 24. Oh, you know Friends.
Who else?
You know what Friends
What
is.
you mean by that?
Friends.
Friends. So life would never gonna be this way. He don't get it.
Fuck you.
I don't know nothing else. So Friends.
I don't either.
Pick a food. Ooh, the glizzy.
What? Is it? Let's go based on how it looks. That burger looks like shit. Is that salami they got on the burger? Why they got sandwich meat with the burger? What is
I
that?
don't know, but
That ain't bacon. What is that?
the glizzy.
Ham?
The glizzy.
That shit looks artificial, bro. It got mayo on it. I don't like mayonnaise. You put mayonnaise on your glizzy?
Man, pizza all the way. All the time, pizza. Rigby.
No one put you as energetic. No one said you cared about friends. This quiz ass.
Your friends and family may be a little impatient, impulsive, and irresponsible at times,
What do you
but you
say?
can also be thoughtful and would do anything for those you love. People who say you're childish, but you just want to have fun. Ain't that right, boy?
That shit was cap. That shit was cap. Caparoni. Just like this macaroni.
Caparoni and cheese.
How will your friends describe you? It's your turn. Pick one.
You helpful.
Okay.
He
Okay.
helpful.
Yeah.
You ain't funny, but you helpful.
Wow. What you mean by that? How I go next? Oh, you're scrolling.
Bro.
My favorite color is Either red or black. I gotta put
I
red.
mean, you got the red Hellcat outside. How you gonna say otherwise?
You're right. You said, nah, I'm odd. Nah, I would go otter because.
Man, I said that.
No, because this is you,
yeah,
though.
You right.
But if I'm picking me, I'm not mixed. I can't go panda. Dolphin's cool.
You look like a queef,
I feel like
bro.
I'm one of these.
You're a queef.
You said I'm this?
Yeah, you're a queef.
You God, I'll be that. On a Friday night, I'm asleep.
No, you ain't, bro.
After work.
Marvel Rivals.
I'm not getting on the game after 12 hours of work. Friday night. I'm asleep, though. I'm asleep, right? Okay, I'm asleep. I gotta get up.
You ain't on a night. You gotta sleep.
You don't work Saturday, so you'll be up on the game. Crazy ass mother. Pick a genre. Is there a scary thriller?
Yeah, thrillers like Michael Jackson.
Thriller night.
And no one's gonna save you from that puss about to strike. You know me.
Thriller night.
And she ain't gonna strike until you suck it. Fuck it tonight.
Neither one of us know a show but Friends, so now pick a food. I want to pick this, but I'm going based on how it looks. Therefore,
nasty, bro.
It does. And I don't like olives on pizza. And I don't like mayonnaise on my glizzy.
What's wrong with mayonnaise on your glizzy?
You sound like a fucking Chinese master. What the What's wrong with mayonnaise on your glizzy? So I gotta go cupcake.
I mean, of course, your EDP.
Ah! Skips! Skips! Ah! Skips! Hey, wait a minute.
Sorry.
Is it because he's a monkey, bro? Hey, yo.
Gorilla!
Gorilla, look at them tits! Look at them tits, I got them too!
You gotta do it like him, bro. Ready? Yes, sir.
Why they got the shine on his shit too? They got the shine.
Got the shine right on his
He
nipple.
bounced his nipple, bro.
They say you are kind and helpful. You are observant. You notice small details and changes around you. You may be private and reserved, but you have an unpredictable side which may surprise people.
Like that. Like that.
I don't know if I want to be part of
Unpredictable side, just like they said.
Humble, smart, and intelligent. You are humble. You are smart. You are grateful. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Another one. That's my cup, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, don't share my. Which others find comforting. Why he eating paper? Thanks for watching. Skips, Rigby.
It makes sense, right? I mean, monkey and raccoon.
I mean,
I'm not even gonna do that.
why not?
What the fuck wrong with you?
Skips. More like dips.
Tits. More like tits.
More like dip tits.
More like nipples and shine.
They ain't gonna see that. What the fuck? Oh.